Hello students, my name is Suchita. You know, today whole world is fighting against coronavirus. So, to avoid spreading this virus, we are taking necessary precautions. One precaution is to wear a mask. Okay. Today we are going to learn making a cloth mask at home. Making this mask, you need cotton cloth, then needle and thread, scissor, scale, and two strips or elastic you require. See this diagram. You need cotton cloth 7 by 9 inch and two strips. We required 10 inch by 1 inch. It is cotton strips, or you take elastic, or you having any friendship band. It is required. Any cotton cloth, then cotton chunni. You can use this material. Okay. Take a cotton cloth, any type of cotton cloth, 9 inch by 7 inch. See, on this scale, here are centimeter and here is inches. So, in 9 inches, you take a fold one time and second fold. Then you stitch it with needle and thread, like up, down, up, down. Total this line you fold like this, and same procedure you need next line also. You fold like this. Okay, and with needle and thread you stitch both the lines. So students, I have a sewing machine, so I stitch like this here and here also. Okay, then you fold like this, one fold and second fold, and then with needle thread you stitch here, same procedure, up, down, up, down. Full side you stitch like this. Do it properly when you handle needle and thread. See, like this you can complete both the side for this for strip. As shown in this picture, for this strip you take a cloth, cotton cloth, and then fold both side. Okay, and then it fold properly. Both side you fold. And make a strip. You now take safety pin like this, and this strip insert here. And same procedure you do same this another side. Take with safety pin. Insert inside. Okay, it is a very simple mask you can make, and both the side stitch it here with needle and thread. First knot here, overlap it, same up down, and knot here. Now this mask is ready. So cover all nose and chin also. So protect any virus. Okay. As shown in this diagram, you can draw any design on this mask. This is another type of mask which having folds here, so we can wear properly. Okay, for this mask you take same cotton cloth, 9 inch by 7 inch, and strip here 8 inch by 1 centimeter here. Take another cotton cloth, 9 by 7 inch, and like this folds. You learn earlier mask, both side, here and here, same procedure, first fold and second fold. Like this stitch both the side. Okay, then make a half and mark it here, both side, here and here. Then again half, take a half and mark here also, both the side. Then take a fold here, middle fold, then again this fold, and third fold. Okay, stitch here with needle thread or machine. Here you take same procedure, first fold, second fold and third fold, and stitch both side. See, you see, like this fold you can do. Okay, and then take a strip, put it here, here and here, then fold it properly. Okay, both the side you can stitch like this, same this side, and like this your mask is ready. Okay, see, like this you can wear. Cover your nose, mouth. As shown in diagram, you stitch here lace if you have having at home, both side any color, so your mask is looking beautiful. For this mask you have a diagram, and ready mask is here. And for this mask, here is diagram, and ready mask is here. Now we are going for another type of mask. So mask number 3. Okay, it is a back side, it is front side. See the diagram. Same measurement cotton cloth, 9 inch by 7 inch, and we required 2 strips here, 7 inch, length is 7 inch. Strips, you take strip, elastic, otherwise friendship band, like this rakhi band, you can take any material. Okay, and see, it is here ready mask. Front side you draw any shape here, and back side here back side. Let us take a cotton cloth, 9 inch by 7 inch. Fold it proper middle, press like this, again one fold, press like this, open it, and mark here. Middle. Okay, then take a fold here and till put it in center, like press properly, and take another fold, keep it its side and press it here. Okay, as shown you, and in a first mask you fold like this, so full line here, and this side also fold first and second fold like this. Okay, here and here. Now here also you stitch both the side, here also you stitch. After that you take 2 strips of 7 inch. Okay, keep it here, stitch it, and another point you also stitch here, both the side, and fold like this. Okay, fold like this time. Okay, both the side you stitch same procedure. After that your mask is ready. Okay, you draw any type of picture, you paint it, otherwise you having any sticking material with fabric glue, you stick it here, any type of lace you can decorate it, and see it is. So we are going for one more type of mask. Mask number 4. See, like this. Here you take cotton cloth, any type of cotton cloth, 12.5 inch and 9.5 inch. Okay. So I am taking here 12.5, here 12.5 and 9.5 inches. So you take, fold it properly. Back side should be up. Okay, it is back side here, both the side. Okay, then take a distance 2 inch here, 2 inch here, also 2 inch mark. Here also you mark 2 inch. Now join it 2 points. Like this you joint. Okay, then you put here pin you put here like this. Okay, the 4 side stitch first like this here. See the diagram first. This is cotton cloth, 12.5 by 9.5 inch. Then fold it. Then third stage I am doing here. See here, marking 4 corners and stitch it properly. Then after that I will cut this point corner 4 side. Leave half centimeter and then cut it. Then this corner, then here also I stitch here. Okay, then open it. Then side corners, you turn it like this. Okay, so you'll get this type of shape. After that, see the fourth diagram here. And downside you fold 1.5 inch. From downside 1.5 inch. with the scale you take a measurement. Here 1.5 inch, here also 1.5 inch. So you press it proper. And other side you also take 1.5 inch, like this. Okay, so see the diagram number 5, both the side overlap it proper. Okay, then after that fold here, like this, one fold and another fold. Okay, and then you stitch here with the needle thread, or you have a machine. Same side here also, take a one fold and another fold here. So after that you see like this. Okay, then take 2 strips, otherwise elastic you take, then or you take strip 10 inch to you want 2 strips. Then I have a rope 10 inches, like this. One more strip 10 inch. With the help of safety pin, this rope you put inside like this. And then after that, suppose you wear take a elastic, then you knot like this here. Okay, otherwise you stitch it here like this, like with a needle thread you stitch it like then after that put like this and stitch it here, both the side. Okay, stitch it here. Here also you stitch like this, and here also 4 side you stitch it properly. Okay, complete mask. Okay, then you draw here like face, mouth. It is front side, front view and back view. So we learn 4 types of masks, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make it at home and donate it with a needy to needy people with maintain social distancing, and upload it to Instagram, Facebook, etc. and hashtag make mask at Shrima. Okay, students, do it properly and donate it. Thank you.